As a job seeker, you want to get hired as fast as possible. And getting noticed is the first step towards landing an interview. But how do you create a winning resume that stands out? With so much competition, employers have become very particular when it comes to choosing who to interview. Fortunately, there are career-changing strategies that you can employ to make sure that your resume stands out from the rest. In this series on resume development, I'm going to go over how to write a winning resume that gets you noticed by hiring managers and recruiters and help land you the job that you want. Today, I'm going to focus on one incredibly important thing that job seekers tend to neglect when they're job searching. However, it will greatly improve your chances of getting noticed and hired rapidly. But first, my name is ILENE, and for over a decade, I've been an executive recruiter and a job search strategist for thousands of paying clients. My expertise lies in revealing insider secrets from the view of the recruiter on how to quickly capture the attention of employers to land the dream job that they desire. As a job search strategist, I focus on teaching ambitious job seekers how to speed up their search, secure a position that inspires them, and earn the income that they so richly deserve. You're watching this video to learn how to land your dream job. I create training like this every single week. If you want to jump the line and get this training before everyone else, now is a genius time to subscribe to get alerts when I post new content. As an expert in the field of recruitment and hiring, I have reviewed countless resumes, and I can tell you the most successful applicants are those who tailor resumes to the job they're applying for. Creating a dynamic, attention-grabbing resume highlighting the specific skills recruiters in your field are looking for is one of the most important steps to getting hired faster. Now, you might be thinking that you wrote a great resume, or maybe you hired a resume writer to write your resume. I don't believe in that. I think you know your background better than anyone. You just need someone to show you how to do this. Hence why you're watching these videos now. With resumes, I want you to keep this in mind. Your resume's job is to generate calls. If you're not generating 3 to 5 calls a week, I don't care how fabulous you think your resume is. If it's not doing its job to generate calls, then we need to change it up. As an expert in job searching, I cannot stress enough the importance of researching job descriptions before starting your resume. It's a step that's often overlooked, yet it can make all the difference in securing the position that you desire. By understanding the required qualifications for the role you're applying for, you can tailor your resume to showcase your strengths in those areas. Not only will this catch the hiring manager or recruiter's attention, but it will also demonstrate your dedication and professionalism. According to recent statistics, tailoring your resume to showcase your strengths in the required areas can increase your chance of landing an interview by up to 50%. So, don't miss out on an opportunity just because you didn't take the time to do your research. I have an expert tip I want to share with you. But if any of this resonates with you, I want you to go to my website. It's www.poundingpavement101.com. And there you'll be able to gain access to my free job search on-demand workshop. It'll show you a genius strategic plan on how to attack the job market. You can watch it immediately so you don't have to waste a moment of time in your search for a new career opportunity. Because as far as I'm concerned, every day you're not working, you're losing money. I don't believe in wasting time. I don't believe in wasting money, certainly. We all know it flies out the window fast enough. So let's get to it. The biggest tip that will make all the difference in the world in your job search is to focus on the job description and what is it that the recruiter is actually seeking in a candidate. To do this, I want you to take a look at your resume. Take the top part with your name and fold it back so you only see the content. Now, looking at the information with the job description in front of you, do a role reversal. Ask yourself the question, would you hire you? If the answer is no, then we have work to do. Now, as I said, I do not believe in resume writers. You know your background better than anyone else. So, why would you pay someone to write your career history? You just need someone to show you how to develop your resume based on how recruiters search. So, I invite you to grab time on my calendar. It's at gethired.careers to discuss your job search and additional strategies to speed up your job search process. You might decide to work with me. You might not. That's okay. But at least we'll get you on the right path to getting hired rapidly. And, well, what I taught you is incredibly important. It might not be the only thing to get you to where you want to be in landing your next career opportunity. So, again, I encourage you to subscribe to get alerts every time I post new content on Inside Secrets to Grab a Recruiter's Attention. And remember to check out my free on-demand job search training workshop. It's www.poundingpavement101.com. My name is ILENE REIN. I'm an executive recruiter and a job search strategist. There is a full series on resume development that you can be watching on my YouTube channel right now, and additional strategies. Watch them, learn from them. I'm happy to help. Good luck in your job search.